In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and use a custom font in the Wix editor. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along with your own site. Head to wix.com and log in to your account. From your dashboard, open the site you want to edit and click Edit Site. This launches the Wix editor, which is where you'll design and style your pages. To make it easy to see your new font in action, add a text box to your page. In the editor, click the Add button at the top left, then choose Add Text or Text Box. Drag the text box into a spot that makes sense for you, maybe your header, a section title, or a paragraph area. Type a few sample words so you have something to style. Next, select that text box and look to the right side panel, also called the inspector. Find the font section and click it to open the font controls. You'll see a drop down with Wix's built-in fonts, but we're going to bring in your own. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that font list and click Upload Fonts. A window will open where you can add your file. Drag and drop your font directly into the upload area or click to browse your computer. Wix supports TTF, OTF, and WAF files, including WAF 1 and 2. After you add the file, give it a moment to upload and process. Wix will store it in your site's assets so you can reuse it anywhere on the site. A quick tip, make sure you have the proper license for the font and try to keep file sizes lean to help your pages load quickly. When the upload finishes, select your text box again, open the font dropdown, and scroll until you see the name of your uploaded font. Click it and your text will instantly switch to the new style. If the size looks off, adjust the font size, weight, or line spacing in the same panel until it feels balanced. You can use that same font across your site for a consistent look. Apply it to headings, buttons, and paragraphs so your brand feels cohesive. Consistency really helps with readability and visual hierarchy, especially on mobile. Before you share it with the world, click Preview, the eye icon, to see how everything looks on desktop and mobile. Check contrast, spacing, and legibility at different sizes. When you're happy with the styling, click Publish at the top right to make your custom font live on your Wix website. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.